You guys want to help me build my next computer that's gonna be like really neat because I need to make it as small as I can get it.
Oh, you're gonna make a compact like box?
Wait, you can just take on the travel.
Are you gonna build
I'm
like a
just
console?
I'm just the computer I have is obnoxiously heavy. I think it weighs like I want to say close to 60 pounds. And every time I have to clean it, I have to lug it all the way downstairs so I can take it apart, clean everything out, and I'm just so fucking sick of it being like an actual chore because it's so goddamn heavy. So I really want to build like a little tiny ITX like micro PC for my next one that's still really strong. So it's like not that big of a deal to unplug and just take this little tiny thing downstairs. But I still want
Brother
it to be
wants like
really
the
powerful.
library PCs.
I just want this nice little, like, well-made compact computer that's not going to run into heating issues. It's still got to be able to cool itself well.
Yikes.
I can help.
You know what, Flo? You want to do a project? You want to help me make a PC that looks vintage, but with modern shit?
What's up?